It's not unusual for us to have to recreate a meeting. Sometimes we run out of time during the course of a meeting, so we need to schedule an additional time. And that means scheduling a meeting, inviting everybody, going through that whole process. I'm going to show you an easier way to do that. Hi, I'm Ann Michael Henry, Workplace Productivity Strategist with Mise en Place, and let me show you a quick way to recreate a meeting on your calendar. So in the example here, we've got a team meeting and we ran out of time. We just simply ran out of time. So we're going to schedule another one. So the way that we're going to do that is we'll hover over the existing meeting, press the Control key, move the meeting to when we want to have it, and there it's duplicated. Now the key is you need to open that meeting and send the invite, so that everyone that was in the previous meeting gets invited. Just because you've moved it on your calendar or duplicated on your calendar doesn't mean everybody else has it. Again, you need to open it and send it, and you're good to go. That's how you recreate a meeting on your calendar quickly and easily. Hope you enjoyed this tip. If you did, give us a thumbs up. If you want even more, go ahead and subscribe to the Mise en Place channel. In the meantime, have a great day. Thanks.